Good morning everyone, myself Indranil Mandal, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Today I am going to present an important topic, characteristics of phases appeared in iron carbide phase diagram related to materials engineering. Let's start the session.
Ferrite is one of the phases that appeared in iron carbide phase diagram. It is an interstitial solid solution of a small amount of carbon dissolved in alpha iron. The maximum solubility is 0.025% carbon at 723 degrees Celsius, and it dissolves only 0.008% carbon at room temperature. It is the softest structure that appears on the diagram. Ferrite is ferromagnetic at low temperatures but loses its magnetic properties with the rise of temperatures, with major loss at Curie's temperatures 768 degrees Celsius, and above this temperature it becomes non-magnetic, that is paramagnetic. The crystal structure of ferrite is body-centered cubic structure. Tensile strength is 245 megapascal and yield strength is 118 megapascal. Elongation is 40 to 50% in 2 inch. Hardness is 95 Vickers pyramid number. This picture is taken at 90x zoom under microscope. Cementite is another phase that is appeared on iron carbide phase diagram. Cementite or iron carbide in Fe3C contains 6.67% carbon by weight, and it is a metastable phase. It is typically hard and brittle interstitial compound of low tensile strength, that is 35 megapascal, but high compressive strength and high hardness of 800 Vickers pyramid number. It is the hardest structure that appears on the diagram. It has a complex orthorhombic crystal structure with 12 iron atoms and 4 carbon atoms per unit cell. It is slightly ferromagnetic up to 210 degrees Celsius and paramagnetic above it. Melting point around 1227 degrees Celsius. This is cementite network. Pearlite is another phase that is appeared on iron carbide phase diagram. Pearlite is the eutectoid mixture containing 0.8% carbon and is formed at 723 degrees Celsius on very slow cooling. It is very fine plate-like or laminar mixture of ferrite and cementite. The fine fingerprint mixture called pearlite is shown in this figure, and coarse pearlite is shown in this figure. The weight percentage of these two phases are thus in the ratio of 8:1. This is taken as in 200 micron and this is 40 micron. Tensile strength is 1,20,000 psi or 825 megapascal. Elongation is 20% in 2 inch. Hardness in C scale is 20. Hardness in B scale ranges from 95 to 100, or Binel hardness number ranges from 250 to 300. Pearlite is not a phase but combination of two phases, ferrite and cementite. This is iron carbide phase diagram. This portion is hypoeutectoid and this portion is hypereutectoid still. And this is pearlite zone. This is a combination of two phases that I have already told, ferrite and cementite. Austenite is another phase that is appeared on iron carbide phase diagram. It is an interstitial solid solution of a small amount of carbon dissolved in gamma iron and has face-centered cubic crystal structure. The maximum solubility is 2.1% carbon at 1147 degrees Celsius. Austenite is soft, ductile, tough and malleable, of face-centered cubic structure and non-magnetic, that is paramagnetic. Steels are commonly rolled and forged about 1100 degrees Celsius when they are in austenite state due to its high ductility and malleability, which is also due to its face-centered cubic structure. Tensile strength is 1,50,000 psi or 1035 megapascal. Elongation is 10% in 2 inch. hardness belongs 395 Vickers pyramid number, and toughness is very high. This is FCC structure, face centered cubic structure. Ledeburite is another phase that is appeared on iron carbide phase diagram. Ledeburite is the eutectic mixture of austenite and cementite. It contains 4.3% carbon and is formed at 1147 degrees Celsius. Structure of ledeburite contains small islands of austenite are dispersed in the carbide phase, not stable at room temperature. The pearlite is resolved in some regions where the sectioning plan makes a glancing angle to the laminae. The ledeburite eutectic is highlighted by the arrows. At high temperatures, this is a mixture of austenite and cementite formed from liquid. The austenite subsequently decomposed to pearlite. Ferrite is another phase that is appeared on iron carbon phase diagram. Interstitial solid solution of carbon in iron of body centered cubic crystal structure, that is delta iron, of higher lattice parameter 2.89 angstrom, having solubility limit of 0.09 weight percentage at 1495 degrees Celsius with respect to austenite. The stability of the phase ranges between 1394 to 1539 degrees Celsius. It is a high temperature phase and is a high temperature manifestation of alpha ferrite. This is not stable at room temperature in plain carbon steel. However, it can be present at room temperature in alloy steel, especially duplex stainless steel. This is del ferrite in dendrite form in as cast iron of 0.4 carbon to manganese, 0.05 silicon to aluminium, 0.05 copper. This is all about ferrite. Now discuss about invariant reactions in iron carbide phase diagram. First, peritectic reaction. The invariant peritectic reaction in iron carbide diagram is given by liquid contains 0.51% of carbon, reacts with del ferrite of 0.1% carbon. After cooling, it becomes austenite gamma of 0.17% of carbon. The liquid weight percentage will be 14.63%. Thus, del ferrite weight percentage is 85.37%. Iron of 0.16% carbon steel is a peritectic steel because only this steel undergoes above reaction completely. Peritectic reaction is of some importance during freezing of steels carbon from 0.1 to 0.51%, particularly under fast cooling conditions, when micro segregation may result, otherwise no commercial heat treatment is done in this region. Unfortunately, these temperatures are attained during heating of steels for forging or rolling, etc. Then severe overheating and burning results in steel, turning them to scrap form. Eutectic reaction. In this case, the invariant eutectic reaction in iron carbide diagram is given by liquid of 0.17% of carbon. After cooling at 1147 degrees Celsius, it becomes austenite plus cementite. Austenite of 2.11% of carbon and cementite of 6.67% of carbon. From iron carbide diagram, you will find out weight percentage of austenite is 51.97%. The cementite, that is weight percentage of cementite, is 48.03%. Iron of 4.3% carbon alloy is called eutectic cast iron as it is the lowest melting point alloy, which is single phase liquid of 100% of 4.3% carbon at the eutectic temperature 1147 degrees Celsius, just attained and undergoes eutectic reaction completely at this constant eutectic temperature to give a mixture of two different solids, namely austenite and cementite, solidifying simultaneously. The eutectic mixture is called as ledeburite. as iron carbon alloys having more than 2.11% carbon are classed as cast irons. The iron copper alloys having carbon between 2.11 and 4.3% are called hypoeutectic cast irons, whereas those having carbon between 4.3% and 6.67% are called as hypereutectic cast irons. Alloys of iron with 4.3% of carbon is called as eutectic cast iron. Eutectoid reaction. The invariant eutectoid reaction in iron-iron carbide diagram is given by austenite of 0.8% of carbon. After cooling at 727 degrees Celsius, it becomes alpha ferrite of 0.02% of carbon and 6.67% of carbon cementite. Thus, weight percentage ferrite is 88% and weight percentage cementite is 12%. During cooling austenite of 0.8% at constant eutectoid temperature, 727 degrees Celsius undergoes eutectoid transformation to form a mixture of ferrite, contains carbon 0.02%, and cementite, that is there are alternate lamellae of ferrite and cementite. This eutectoid mixture of ferrite and cementite is called as pearlite because of its pearly appearance under optical microscope. The weight percentage of these phases are thus 8:1. The densities are alpha of 7.87 gram per centimeter cube and iron carbide 7.70 gram per centimeter cube are quite comparable. Thus, the volume percentage also approximates 8:1. Thus, ferrite lamellae is 8 times thicker than cementite lamella. As the two boundaries of cementite plate are close together, they may not resolve separately under the microscope. Instead of two lines, it appears a single dark line. This is all about eutectoid reaction. You will get ferrite and cementite from austenite. Eutectoid reaction phase changes that occur upon passing from the gamma region into alpha iron and iron carbide phase failed. Consider, for example, an alloy of eutectoid composition 0.8% carbon. As it cooled from a temperature within the gamma phase region, say 800 degrees Celsius, that is beginning at point A in the figure and moving down vertical x-axis. What I am talking about, initially the alloy is composed entirely of the austenite phase having composition 0.88% carbon and then transformed to alpha and iron carbide, that is pearlite. The microstructure for this eutectoid steel that is slowly cooled through eutectoid temperature consists of alternating layers of lamellae of the two phases, that is alpha and iron carbide.
The pearlite exists as grains, often termed colonies. Within each colony, the layers are oriented in essentially the same direction, which varies from one colony to other. The thick light layers are the ferrite phases, and the cementite phase appears as thin lamellae, most of which appear dark. This is temperature versus composition, that is weight percentage carbon diagram. This is vertical x-axis. This is the microstructure of austenite, and this is the microstructure of alpha ferrite and iron carbide. This is austenite plus iron carbide, that is pearlite. This is austenite and iron carbide. This is austenite zone, and all of this is at 727 degrees Celsius. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and stay connected. Thank you very much.